Let's get straight to the point. It all starts in your mind. How you think about yourself, your mistakes, and your journey shapes everything you do. These first 10 life laws will help you see yourself clearly and build a mindset that actually works. First, don't chase validation from everyone. Stop worrying about what others think. You'll never catch it all, and your energy is better spent on yourself. Second, learn to enjoy being alone. Peace, self-reflection, and clarity come when you're comfortable with yourself. Third, your thoughts aren't facts. Question the stories your mind tells you before you believe them. Fourth, embrace change. It's the only constant in life. Fighting it only drains your energy. Fifth, fail fast, but always reflect. Every mistake is a lesson in disguise, and it's only useless if you don't learn from it. Sixth, celebrate small wins. Tiny progress adds up to big victories over time. Seventh, stop trying to control everything. Focus on what you can actually change. Eighth, protect your mental space like your most valuable possession. Guard it fiercely. Ninth, don't compare your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. Life isn't a race, it's your journey. 10th, practice gratitude daily, even for the smallest things. It shifts how you see the world and yourself. Next, let's tackle how to handle the people around you and set boundaries that protect your energy. 11th, say no without guilt. Protecting your time and energy isn't selfish, it's necessary. 12th, prioritize people who actually show up for you. Your attention is a resource, spend it on those who value it. 13th, set boundaries before people test them. Clear lines prevent resentment and unnecessary stress. 14th, don't take everything personally. Often, other people's actions reflect them, not you. 15th, surround yourself with people who challenge and inspire you. Comfort zones don't create growth. 16th, learn to apologize sincerely when you're wrong. Pride costs more than the mistake itself. 17th, don't avoid hard conversations, they're where real growth happens. 18th, forgive even when others don't deserve it. It frees you more than it frees them. 19th, respect other people's boundaries as much as your own. Mutual respect builds trust. 20th, your opinion of yourself matters more than others. Now let's get into money and career. Practical rules that build freedom, security, and long-term opportunity. 21st, learn money basics early. Understanding how to budget, save, and invest prevents years of unnecessary stress. 22nd, spend less than you earn. Simple but powerful. Financial freedom starts here. 23rd, avoid debt whenever possible. Not all debt is created equal. Be mindful of what you take on. 24th, invest in yourself. Education, skills, and experiences pay the best dividends. 25th, don't chase every opportunity that comes your way. Focus on what aligns with your goals. 26th, treat your career like a marathon, not a sprint. Consistency beats short-term hustle every time. 27th, learn to negotiate. Your worth is often defined by what you're willing to ask for. 28th, keep an emergency fund. It's not optional, it's peace of mind in disguise. 29th, avoid comparing your financial journey to others. Everyone starts at different places. 30th, be patient. Wealth and career growth compound slowly, but they do if you stay consistent. Next, we'll focus on learning and personal growth, how to expand your mind, skills, and perspective. 31st, read and learn daily. Knowledge compounds faster than any shortcut. 32nd, ask questions. Curiosity opens doors you didn't even know existed. 33rd, stay humble. There's always more to learn, no matter how much you think you know. 34th, learn from everyone, including those you disagree with. Different perspectives build wisdom. 35th, seek mentors and role models. Guidance accelerates growth. 36th, step out of your comfort zone regularly. Growth lives on the edge of fear. 37th, reflect on your experiences. Learning without reflection is wasted effort. 38th, keep a journal or notes. Writing crystallizes understanding and tracks progress. 39th, teach others what you learn. Sharing knowledge reinforces it and helps those around you. 40th, embrace mistakes as lessons. Every misstep is a step toward mastery if you pay attention. Next, let's talk about resilience and handling failure. How to stay strong when life gets tough. 41st, accept that failure is part of the process. Every mistake teaches you something valuable. That's 42 lessons I had to learn the hard way. Take the ones that hit you most and let them guide your next chapter. Because wisdom isn't about knowing everything, it's about living differently once you know better.